Hi guys! Good morning and welcome back sa vlog. Today, samahan niyo ako sa isang get ready with me for school. Kasi ito na naman tayo, another day, another laban bilang estudyante. Siyempre, saing-saing muna tayo, we need to prepare. Pero joke lang, hindi talaga ako nakain bakit pumasok. And ayan, saksak na natin ay si Malo, my baby.
1, 2, 3, go!
So, who am I as a person? Well, I'm Rachel May Moreno and I'd say I'm pretty simple and quiet type of person. Mas gusto ko yung mga araw na chill lang, yung may sariling space. Walang masyadong gulo at hindi masyadong maingay. I enjoy spending time at home, being with my family and doing small things that make me feel comfortable, like listening to music, scrolling through my phone, or just enjoying my own space. I am a first-year nursing student here at OLFU Antipolo campus. As a student, I think I'm someone who keeps trying kahit hindi everyday productive or perfect. Hindi ako yung super active na laging on the go, pero I make sure na I still do my requirements and I learn at my own space. Minsan tinatamad, minsan stress, minsan sabaw. Pero ganun naman talaga ang student life na yun. What matters to me is I still show up, I still try, and I still push myself little by little. I'm the type of student who prefers quiet study time, simple routines, and using technology a lot to help me understand lessons. Hilig akong mag-search, manood ng tutorials, lalo na may mga times na hindi ko maintindihan ang mga lessons or gumawa ng notes na simple pero malinaw. And habang nag-aaral ako, I'm also learning how to manage my time, my energy, at minsan kahit emotions ko. I'm not the best, but I'm doing my best. And I think that's good enough for now. Honestly, studying nowadays is not easy. Ang daming distractions, ang daming responsibilities, at minsan ang hirap mag-focus lalo na kapag paulit-ulit lang yung routine. Pero kahit mahirap, I still try my best. I remind myself na kahit 10 minutes lang, focus na time. Kahit isang requirement lang today, progress pa rin yun. May mga araw na mabagal internet, masakit ulo, o wala talagang gana. But I still push myself to get things done slowly. Hindi kailangan mabilis, hindi kailangan perfect. Kailangan lang tuloy-tuloy. Para sa mental health ko, tinatandaan ko lagi na okay lang magpahinga. Hindi kailangan productive lagi. I listen to music, take breaks. Minsan humiga lang ako and let myself breathe. Kapag sobrang stress na, I talk to my family or friends. Minsan, simpleng kwentuhan lang pero sobrang gana ng pakiramdam ko. I also give myself small rewards pag may natatapos ako. Like watching something, eating my favorite snack, or just enjoying quiet time. Taking care of my mental health is part of being a student. Hindi siya luxury, kailangan siya para magpatuloy. Para mas matuto ako at makakope sa school life, gumagamit ako ng different tools and routines. I use technology a lot. Google, YouTube tutorials, online modules, and sometimes AI tools to explain topics when I'm confused. I also break down tasks into smaller parts para hindi ako ma-overwhelm. Minsan gumagawa ako ng simple to-do list or nagsiset up ng study timer. And syempre, may days din na I need to step away muna from schoolwork, doing small activities like cleaning my table, playing music, or just relaxing help me reset. This week, I realized ko na being a student today is more than just passing requirements. It's about finding balance between rest and work, between school and personal life, between pressure and self-care. I realized ko rin na technology has a huge impact sa daily life natin. Ang daming bagay na mas nagiging madali, pero kailangan din natin gamitin siya ng tama. And lastly, I learned that simple days are still meaningful. Kahit hindi exciting ang week ko, I still learned something about myself, about school, and about how to handle life little by little. At the end of the day, growth doesn't have to be loud or big. Sometimes, slow progress is still progress.
Here we go! Let's begin. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Patay na, ma'am. Ano yan, ma'am? Ginagapit mo?
Iiwalay na natin yung
Ano, ma'am?
ito yung pulmonary tract. Ginagapit natin. Ito yung aorta. Paalam kinatapa, di ba?
Ano to, ma'am? Lahat na lang tinanong eh. Wow! Yun, kita ko naman.
Kaya mga
Kung nakakita ka ng totoong puso ng tao.
nung college,
OJT?
sila sa Fatima Van.
Ganyan talaga yung tsura.
Yan. Okay. Functionally, anatomically the same, but they are not identical. Hindi siya pwede sa tao.
Pero may nag-experiment pa.
Ipatay natin.
Patay. Ilang oras lang yun.
Kasi anatomically the same, functionally the same. Pang siya, gano'n. Pero, hindi sila identical. Okay. So, this is the aorta. Sa stomach, ito to. Trachea, papunta sa lungs. Okay? Tapos ito yung aorta. Diba, sabi ko pababa. Thoracic aorta, baba yan. Abdominal aorta. So, yan yung likod. Okay? So, babawasan natin ang layo ng mga para mabusan yung heart. Para makita lang yung, ayan o.
Di ba bukas yan, ma'am?
Ha?
Di ba bukas yan?
Hindi pa, bukas na to. Pero, tawag no,
Kailangan makita lang sa
loob, 4 na kwarto. So, hiwain nyo na lang. Ilan yan? Diba? Isa, 2 kwarto. Isa, 2 kwarto. Makita mo yung valve, yung parang may sinusinulit. Yan na yung bicuspid valve. Tapos may valve din dito. Yan na yung tricuspid valve. Yan o, yung parang sinulit. Yan o, kita nyo? Okay, so, ganunin nyo pa. Okay, oo.